Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a virtual background in your Google Meet? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use a virtual background in Google Meet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, holding sales meetings or other employee meetings can expose private things in your background. And with Google Meet, you can set up a virtual background. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Meet dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a Google meeting, and this is a live meeting. Now, in order to set up a virtual background, you're going to click on these three dots here on the bottom. Once you do that, you want to click on background and effects. Okay, as far as virtual backgrounds, you have a couple of different options. The first and easiest one is you can add a blur into the background. The second is you can use a template background that's provided by Google. And then third, you can add a customized virtual background as well. So let me go ahead and turn on my camera. It's going to be kind of strange because I have two different cameras going on. So I'm going to turn this on. Okay, so now you can see I have a taco as my background. So let's go ahead and add a blur background right here. So you just click on it and it's going to change. So you can see my real background here, and it has a light blur. You can see that there's kind of plant back there. You can also do this other blur. It's going to be a little bit more intense. Okay, so now you can't really see anything in the background. You can also choose one of these predefined virtual backgrounds. Okay, so I added these books back there, and you can also add a custom virtual background. If you click right here, you can upload a picture from your computer. Okay, I just grabbed another picture of some tacos, and you can see that I now have a custom virtual background. And if you want to switch in between them, you can go ahead and click on them as you're through your call, and each time it just switches through. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use a custom virtual background in your Google Meet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.